Alright, I'm gonna see if this thing will fire up. I'm in the GT. Just got the battery charged. Got a fuel pump. Oh my god, purrs like a kitten. I literally, like, listen to her. Oh, baby. Special guest coming later today, giving us some products. As you can see, the door in all of its glory, or what used to be glory. She's a little pancaked right now, a little pancake. That's okay.
Because you know, if you've painted with us before, we don't make mistakes. We have happy accidents.
We got BK Performance coming today, which is BK Performance on Instagram and BK Performance on TikTok. If you want to go follow them, check out some of their products. They make stuff for BMW E82s, which is 1 Series, BMW E92s and E90s. Obviously stuff for Mustangs. Brand new Ram Air fog light kits, which pretty much just takes what used to be a fog light right here. We have our tow hook. I can probably hook it right here for now though. It takes this little scoop and funnels it, which in our case, we have the air filter right here because when Dad was building this, the stock air box was way too big, so I had to go aftermarket here so we can take the air from here, funnel it right into here, and get just that little bit more performance. That's pretty much it. Got to get this car to rolling. Got to get some fenders on it. Mark just got some shocks. Got to get a hood, front bumper cover, just a few things to get this thing rolling. This is last year's car. The actual real Cobra, the titled one, and that's the one that all the Cobra stuff went from. So this one's pretty much a Cobra. It's not titled as one, but it's pretty much, except we ain't got the scoops that the Cobra does. See, that's GTV6 and maybe Bullet Mach 1, I don't know. Person here, so if you're in this area, hit me up, Landon Dysart on Instagram. Like I said, shout out to BK Performance for sending all this out and giving it to us, but gonna get to work here. Also got the GT's battery on the charger. It's been charging for like 15 minutes and still has gone nowhere. This thing is dead. All right, I'm gonna see if this thing will fire up. I'm in the GT. Just got the battery charged. Got a fuel pump. Oh my god, purrs like a kitten. Oh, baby. Yeah. See, I had no doubt. Totally didn't have to charge the battery for a half hour. Window roll down? Oh my god, it's a Cadillac. That window rolls down. Oh my god, it's a Cadillac, bro. Then fired first try. I know. Signed Roush. No.
Battery charger work?
Yeah, she cooked. Put her on the chip. Oh yeah. Dialed. Come on, bro. There we go. Finally got it in reverse. So dialed. Rides so good at like 5 miles an hour. Happy. torque it loose. People, we have a package from BK Performance, so let's open this thing up. Their brand new Ram Air fog light kit for SN95 Mustangs, New Edge specifically. So these just bolt right in where the stock fog lights go. You can order these with the halo or without. Get this coupler, put it in here, and you can mount it wherever your intake is, whether you have a fender exit or it's just right there in its factory location. You can get some air into it. These babies put in, it just goes in there. They're good angle. But it lines up, these two on the top, and then right where this little notch is, there's a hole. You put a bolt nut through here. It's actually insane quality, and I'm not even being biased. It's insane quality for 3D printer, because every time I try to use a 3D printer, it's not fun. So it's cool that he can get this much quality out of something like this. Back here in the back of the shop, let's get some hardware here. All right, just got this baby installed. As you can see, little scoop for air, which goes through this piping right into the air filter. I'll find a better way to mount this for the sake of the video. I just zip tied it to the bumper cover support. So yeah, that's done, but still have the driver's side to do. The driver's side doesn't do nearly as much because there's nothing really to cool over here, but it still looks cool, especially when there's no fog light there to begin with. But got both of these BK Performance fog lights in. It was pretty easy, just two at the top, no light but one at the bottom, and installed. But Dad's getting door number 2 taken apart and getting that one ready to be redone. Still didn't get this out today. Probably won't happen for a while, but need to get these things cleaned up because it's getting to the point where we can't find tools. Oh, that's getting a little dirty. But